Welcome guys. This is March 9th, the second week of the month. This is the second week of the month. So let's dive in for this week's new pairs of interest. All the pairs that I was talking about the previous video, they played out as I wanted. Like three played out as I wanted, and the rest didn't give me my interest. So I am still very much interested in USD Japanese. You remember on the previous week I was saying I just need, on the previous week the market was at this level. Let me show you. The market was at this level, and I was telling you guys, yeah, the market was, I was saying I need a nice pullback to sell the market, and you can see what happened with that nice pullback to sell the market. You see what happened? It even broke below. So the goal remains the same. We are still selling at this level. We'll still continue to sell this market because we sold at the weekly level of interest. So I even expect the market to reach up to this structure level, because this is the selling structure level for weekly, but they just mark this as a point of taking our profit. So we are very much bearish in the daily time frame. We are bearish in the 4-hour time frame. We are also bearish. So what am I looking for in the 4-hour time frame? On the daily time frame, it's just the same thing. That's a nice deep retest at this zone. Then we look for sales. So currently this is the 4-hour time frame, you can see. So the market has already shifted structure. It's about to shift structure. Maybe when the new session opens, I expect this market to shift structure, which will make now the 4-hour bullish for a while. Then once the market reaches this level, I also expect it to shift structure. Then it should become bearish, should come now bearish, then continue to the downside. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see on the 1-hour time frame the market is already bullish now. Made the last lower low, then it switched the structure, so it's now bullish. So the same thing, I also wanted to retrace back to that level, then shift the structure, you see, so I can now enter my sales and just go with the trade, you see. So that's what I'm expecting on this pair, USD Japanese. I'm just waiting for that nice pullback. Yes, that's the pullback I'm looking for. You can see even on the daily time frame it already started going down. So this is a nice confirmation that we just need that nice pullback, then sell the market. You see, and sell the market. Then I'll be okay. I'll announce at the end of this video. Then what other pair? Also NZD Japanese. These are the same pairs. I'm also expecting for them to do the same thing as they did. But for NZD Japanese, it's quite different. Let me do this. You can see on the 4-hour time frame, quite right. On the weekly time frame, it's also doing the same thing USD Japanese is doing. It's making lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. So it made a higher low right there. It's just that it's not yet complete. So this market can do two things. It can trace back at that level to make the higher low, then continue to the downside to make the new lower low, or it can reject at that level. So this is where I jump in the 4-hour time frame and show you my possibilities and probabilities on this pair. So I'm looking for two things right here. This is something we capitalized off. So I'm looking for two things in the 4-hour time frame. You can see I have this nice head and shoulder right here. I have this nice head and shoulder, but this nice head and shoulder, the neckline has, yes, it has even been retested. You can see, the neckline has already been retested. So since the neckline has already been retested, what do? We go in the 1 hour time frame. You can see what I'm looking for. The 1 hour time frame is now bullish, but the bad part is look where we look at where the lower low is, and look at where the higher low is. No, the higher high, this is the higher low and this is the higher high. So remember, we always have to sell at the higher high, you see, and buy at the lower low. So here I can't sell the market because look, if I say I can't sell the market because I'll be in a bad drawdown. You get? Because let's say if the market breaks this low, you see, it breaks this low. This will be my now new higher high, and when I enter my shorts, I have to put my stop loss all the way to that side because this is the only point I can sell the market on. So the higher low, I made them is the higher low. That's why you sell the market at the higher low. So for me, I want the market to make a new higher low where I can sell this market off. You see, just like the 15 minutes, we are still using this as our higher low. You see, yes, market, this would have been a new higher low if it broke above this previous higher high. So this is my so this is now where I'm telling you I want the market to do something like this. I want the market to further make a new higher high. This will make this point a new lower high. Then if it breaks, I'll now retest. I'll wait for that retest, then sell. Meaning even when I enter, my stop loss will be a bit tight, you see. Then I'll capitalize off it. You see, that's what I want this market to do for me. Just want the market to make a new higher low and a new lower high. You see? Higher high and a new lower high. Sorry. Then I can wait for that shift of structure, then sell this market. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. Because this is now, it's still bullish, mind you. Yes, it's at our level of interest, but the market is still bullish. So this can easily now do this. This is where you say, oh, but my level, everything was correct. Why did the market do this? The market was still bullish, you see. So it can even do that. Then let me just do this. Let me do this, then you can see. So the market can even do this, you see. Then now drop, making this the previous low. So that's what I'm saying. You have to wait, it switches the structure for you, then you can join the trade. So that's what I'm waiting for on this pair. Quite right, we are up for sales, but I just need that new lower high. So let me just set an alert at that level, because I know once it reaches there, it will form a new lower high. New high, sorry, new higher. You know, this thing can be confusing. Yeah, you're talking to yourself all this time. Always supposed to survive. So that's the new high I'll be looking for. Then NZD card. NZD card. This was also one of my interest pairs, but like I was telling you, it broke the level like I wanted it to break, but it did not retest. But now it has finally done it. So let me switch in the daily time frame. You see, remember here I was saying the market is bullish and it's bearish, but we want to catch some buying trades. So I was waiting for I was waiting for this nice break and retest, but look, it retested inside. That's why I didn't take the buys. But now it has rejected the level, so I'm up for buys, just like that. So now, what am I looking for on this trade? Uh, quite alright. We're already bullish. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, let's say this was bearish. This was bearish, then it turned bullish. Came back. So this is just a deeper pullback. Yeah, this is just a deep pullback. So and just to be safe for this trade, I'm just waiting for market to do this either on the 15 minutes time frame or on the 30 minutes time frame. I'm just waiting for the market to do this, then buy. That's it. That's what I'm waiting for, because it has already retested at this level. So this is just a small pullback. So once it does this, I'm buying this market. Let me even put that's what I'll be looking for. Excuse then that's what I really want to, because this is now bullish in the 1 hour time frame. In the 30 minutes time, you can see the market is still bullish. So once it breaks this will become a potential, just the same strategy I tell you about. You see, market is doing this. The same you can apply. That's why I say you can apply this on the 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'm also just expecting for that. Then that deep retest and go with the buys. You see, I want the market to do something like this. In short, you see, yeah. Then the 15 minutes time frame. Just that now we are bullish, so we can't buy when we are below this level. So here I would like a nice bullish engulfing candle right there. Then yeah, a nice bullish engulfing candle. Then wait for that weak pullback, then enter. Then my stop loss would even be below this same high and low right here. So this is also a nice trade I'm looking forward to take. Then yeah, and the reward is very interesting, because look, we have to hold until this pair reaches that level. Let me do this. Why can't I not see this? The reward is this trade is very rewarding, because look, it's risky but very rewarding, because we have to catch this counter trade up to that level. This is 1 to 6. So this is one of the trades I would like to participate in, and this is mostly likely to happen faster than NZD Japan. So let me just put there. Yeah. Then this is GBP/USD. I'm waiting for that retracement. You can see what's going on here. Market is now making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Just need that nice lower high, then go with the buys right there. You see, same thing. All I need is that deep retracement right here or here, but it would be I assume it would be probably here, because that's where the EMA would even catch up right here. So this is also one trade I'm looking forward to take if the position presents itself. Yeah, and what do I have? GBAUD, the same thing. I'm also just waiting for that nice pullback, then continue with the buys. Then Euro AUD, Euro AD. I also want to counter trade this because it has to drop, it has to retrace up to this level or even deeper up to this level. So I don't recommend counter trading because it's very risky, but it's just you just have to do something, Sometimes you just have to risk some money. So I would like it to form even a nice head and shoulder here. Then it would even be better for me to sell. But yeah, that's why I've put it further because the same with this pair. These are counter trades. These are counter trades you would like to take. Because bro, look at this high. It needs to drop and retest. Remember, it has to give you that retracement back here for it to even push further. You see? So for us to enter that, we have to confirm that okay, the market is now bearish. So but for now, I'm just watching this. I want this retracement. Yeah, so that's why I've even put these pairs below because I'm looking for counter trades on this pair. Same with this one. Same with this one. What am I looking for? Yeah. For this one, I'm just looking for buys because you can see the distance is not that long. Look, compared from here to here. You see, this is just like 2 bars. You see, compared to when you look at this, bro, this is long. This is like 3 bars right here. Even up to 14 days, that can happen on an average candle. You see, because those are just spikes. Sometimes the market really moves slow, but this, you see, this is short. Same with this, bro. This thing has to drop. You see, that's why I'm looking for these counter trades. Don't recommend them, but can do something. Same with this pair. We'll have the retracement, but just move this, bro. Line is just making things worse. Yeah, so this is what I'm waiting for. A nice pullback here. That's the downside. You see? So that's it. That's it. Then Bitcoin, same thing, just a nice pullback. This is good. I've been waiting to counter trade this pair. Just put it there. Same with US gold, waiting for this break below. These are just pairs I look. But my top three, yeah, because these let me do this. Yeah, my top 3 pairs, top 4 I'm looking to trade this week is this NZD card, NG USD Japanese, and GBP because I only have to take the maximum of 2 trades per week, so I might take 2 out of these 2. You see, if I will only see one, then I'll take one. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.